What's going on? We're going to talk about driving in the neighborhood. If you don't know, I'm a state certified instructor. This content is for 2023 beginning drivers. What I'm doing is looking over my shoulder. Even though I do have a backup camera, you can't always trust cameras. We've had about 12 inches of snow, so it's very cold out here. Notice I'm backing up really small and I'm looking around and I'm double checking my camera. Now I'm going to put it in drive. There's a vehicle coming, so I want to get over to the right and not panic. We want to share the roadway. Windshield here is about minus 15. So they kind of swerved over a little bit. I'll wave, be friendly, wave back. I'm at about 1/4 of a tank. That's the slowest you want to get, because if you run into a traffic jam,